Good morning, neighbors, and welcome back to the neighborhood. I am Squealer D, and I am back again. And this time we are back in the world of finance, learning about Thinkorswim, guys. This is the trading platform that we are going to use when we begin our trading journey. Well, our journey has started, guys, but we are not trading yet. And just as a disclaimer, when we go into this, I woke up at 7 a.m. this morning and I have no coffee. So my eyes have not completely opened up yet. They're still pretty much closed. So if I miss a word, it is because my eyes will not properly open. Okay, so right now you guys are looking at, what are you looking at? Not what I'm looking at. You guys are looking at just Yahoo Finance. I was gonna just look. Oh, I'm still so tired, guys. No coffee. Ran out of creamer. I can't drink coffee without creamer. Let me know in the comments if you are a mutant who can drink coffee without creamer. Okay. So what we want to go to, guys, is usually in the mornings we are going to start on, when we start trading, we'll start on somewhere like Yahoo Finance, and we'll look at our tickers. We'll look at our watch list. We don't have a watch list yet. So this is one I just looked at, CYTO. It is Altamir Therapeutics. They only sell for $218. They're up 64.5% today, so they're pretty volatile. This is at the market open at 9:30. It was down at $1.68 about. And by 9:50, it was up to $2.47. So this had a little run this morning. Dropped back down, but it's still at $2.19. So you can see where you could have got in at. This is a big candlestick with a bigger candlestick and a big candlestick. Higher high, higher high. You could have got in here. You could have got in here. And then wrote it up and just sold it. You'd have made what? $1.60 to $2.40. Almost $1 a share. Something like that's good if you're really into volatility and you have good risk management. So we will come in the morning and check out our watch list. We'll make a watch list, and then we will watch our watch list. And we will have, that's our goal. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to, oh, excuse me. I need coffee to get going in the morning. Okay. So what we're going to do is, if you open up a Thinkorswim, this is what it will look like, guys. When you log in, it will look like this. This is the main page. So up here are little tabs. You see these little tabs, guys? Monitor, trade, analyze, scan, market watch, charts, tools, education, and help. Okay, so all of these tabs will be used in the future, but right now, guys, the tab that we are going to use is education, because that's what we need. So the first part of education is just learning the setup. So that's what we'll do today, is just learn how to set up our workspace. So the working area of the Thinkorswim platform can be divided into two parts: the left sidebar and the main window. The left sidebar is where you keep gadgets necessary for your work. The main window contains 8 tabs, which provide you with numerous kinds of functionality: monitor, trade, analyze, scan, market watch, charts, tools, and help, and education. All these tabs have subtabs, each dedicated to a certain Thinkorswim feature. The manual you're reading now describes these features in detail. Refer to the corresponding pages for more information. But for now, let's focus what can be found under the 7 main tabs. The Monitor tab is the primary location where your trading activity is tracked. This includes many kinds of data: your orders, positions, statements, cash balances, and trading account statuses. And that is here, guys. Here's statement for account, profits and losses, the Forex account summary, and my account summary. And that is all under the monitor tab. You can see we could do our, if we had any open positions, they would be here under activity and positions. My account statement is here, FX report, strategy ruler. So now we go back to education. The next tab is the trade tab. And this tab contains the following interfaces: all products, Forex trader, futures trader, pairs trader, and active trader. So if we pop in a trade, guys, here's the Forex trader, here's for futures, here's the active trader, and the pairs trader. All products. And you could see here, you could put in whatever. Excuse me. Whew. The yawns got me this morning because I had no coffee. Whew. Okay, so that's the trade one, guys. And we find these little tickers underneath that. The Analyze tab provides you with analysis techniques of many kinds, including simulation of what-if scenarios on both real and hypothetical trades, volatility and probability analysis, the economic data, the indicator database, and the option backtesting. So Analyze. So let's throw a ticker in here. What do we got? Throw Apple in here. So you can add simulated trades, a risk profile, probability analysis. Here's the economic data, think back, fundamentals. This one tells you, wow, so much stuff under Analyze. Okay. The Scan tab enables you to filter through tens of thousands of stock, option, futures, and Forex products available based on your search criteria. Scan. Okay, so we can scan with different criteria: option hacker, spread hacker, spread book. Well, we're going to learn so much more about all of these guys. Don't you worry if you don't know what they are, because I don't know what half of them are. Okay, the Market Watch tab provides you with the market data of many kinds, as well as techniques that will help you process it. The following subtabs are available in Market Watch: quotes, alerts, visualize, financing rates, and calendar. So, Market Watch, alerts, visualize, financing rates, calendar. Look at this little calendar. They have all these neat little symbols. The Charts tab provides you with a powerful graphic interface of real-time market data with an extensive selection of technical analysis tools. So here's the charts. We even have a MACD down here, and that's one of the analysis lines we will learn about. Okay. The Tools tab encompasses several handy Thinkorswim features: ThinkLog, videos, and shared items. ThinkLog, videos. Look at all these videos. So pretty neat. There are things we could learn in Tools. And then, so that is it for getting started. Let's see what else. So on the Monitor tab, Activity and Positions, Account Statements, FX Reports, and Strategy Roller. Okay? So the Activity and Positions is your today's trade activity and position statement. The account statement is a detailed snapshot of your position's current metrics. The FX statements are reports specific to your Forex account if you have one. And the Strategy Ruler is a tool that can help you manage covered call option strategies. Well, that'll be helpful. I said I wanted to learn option, guys. Options trading. Okay, so that's the Monitor tab. There are videos too, guys. I would suggest you guys watching the videos. I cannot stop yawning. And then on the trade tab, there are all products, Forex trader, futures trader, active trader, pairs trader. So the all products is the primary basic trading layout for securities, which includes stocks, EFTs, options, and futures. The Forex trader is an interface optimized specifically for Forex trading. The futures trader is for futures trading. Pairs trading, a permission by request feature designed for specialized trading on security pairs. Active trader, an interface for those who actively trade on an intraday basis. Note that we also have a different set of video tutorials, each dedicated to a specific type of security to trade. Trading how-tos. So we will definitely check that out too. Hit back, hit the Analyze tab, and on the Analyze tab, the interface of the Analyze tab provides you with analysis techniques of many kinds, including simulation of what-if scenarios, okay? So we read that, both hypothetical, real and hypothetical, volatility and probability analysis, the economic data indicator database, and option backtesting. So these interfaces are add simulated trades, risk profile, probability analysis, economic data, think back, and earnings. So if we bop into the Analyze trade, we have all of these. And I don't know how to use them, guys, but we are going to learn economic data. Okay. So, the scan tab. Stock hacker, option hacker, spread book. Okay. And these are different tools we will learn how to use. Exciting times, guys. Learning how to use. Josh, hello, neighbor. Welcome to the chat, my friend. How are you today? I am a bit on the tired side and my eyes still look tired, so please excuse any yawns. I am excited to be here, and I can't get my eyes to feel like my bod. So, on to Market Watch, guys. Market Watch is what? Market data of many kinds, as well as techniques that will help you to process it. So, in the Market Watch, we have all these tabs, financing rates. What does it say? Rollover occurs at 4 p.m. We will have to learn what rollover is, guys. Okay. Charts. The next tab is the Charts tab. And this is where you have a couple options of where to buy. Like, for instance, we could buy Apple here. And that will give us this. This is the order confirmation dialog. This tells us what we're buying. If we were to click buy, we would be buying 50 Apple at market. And that would cost us $8,023 with no commission. That means we would have 191 left. You can edit right here. See that? We bopped into edit. It pops up down here. We could say we only want to buy, maybe we only want to buy 10 stock. And maybe we don't want to do it at a market order. See, that's a market order. And you guys, do we remember what a market order is? A market order will sell you. Let me turn on my level 2 here. So here's level 2. A market order is going to sell it to you at whatever the current asking price is. 160, whatever it's going for, that's what, at the moment when they're available, that's what it is going to charge you. So if you don't want to pay the 160, let's look a little bit closer at the stock. You see how you could just highlight this and look closer? We're at 160.30. What do we look at for the day? It's best if you look at the 1 day, 1 minute. Here is where the market started today. Okie dokie. We could look at the 5-day, 5-minute. No. This is the... Okay. So what we could do is we have 10 in here. We could say we want to do a limit order. Guys, I've only ever done a limit order and a market order. That's why we're learning, because we have to do different amounts of orders. So let's say we want to do 10 of them at a limit order of, if this drops to $157, yeah? If this drops down to $157, we'll buy 10 of them. And then you put that in there. Confirm and send. This will be 1570, guys. This is more than we play with. This is just to show you how to buy it. Paper money. Remember, guys, I'm going to get out of it. But I'm going to show you. So if we send that through, it would cost us $15.70. We would have to have available to buy 10 shares of Apple at $157. So it's a single account. We're just doing a market one. We'll send that through so I can show you where everything's at. So now it shows us where we're at, guys, with our order at 157. You see this 10 limit here, guys? That means we want 10 orders at this limit, 157. So we can zoom in. If it drops down here, we can purchase that, and it will be in our activity and positions. You guys see now? We don't have an open. It's working on our order. See, it says working orders. If it was filled, it would be under this order. Here's our canceled orders and rolling strategies. And that is for calls. So we don't have it yet, but it's down here because it's waiting. It's working. We can pop back over to the charts. That's where we were. Monitor charts. Monitor charts. Okay. It's working our order. So pop over into charts and see where it's at. It's still at 160. We would have to drop way down here to buy it. So that is not an immediate thing we're doing. It's just there. There's nothing we can do now. If it doesn't drop down, we don't buy it. So as you could see, that is the charts tool. You could buy it here. You could also buy it here, guys. This is another option. See? Push buy. Same thing. It pop up. You can edit it. You can say, oh, never mind. I didn't want that. Where's cancel? There we go. Delete. And see? Back out. So that is just from these. It's still working, guys. We'll pop back into education. That is the charts, and the tools encompasses several handy features, think, log, videos, and shared. And those are the tools here. And we looked at that. Look at all this. We could put a ticker in here. Let us put Apple. And it's going to pull up Apple stuff, guys. You look at this. Look at this. Apple. The net change, the bid price, the asking price. It's got a CarMax one. KMX. Let's check out KMX. See, we just put the ticker in there, KMX. And that checks out CarMax. So we can see that we're on 1 day. Always check what map you're at. 1 day, 1 minute. So this is showing the day and the minute. And zoom in on it. Okay. So this was the open of the market at... What's happening? Okay. So the market opened at 6:30, guys. 6:30 right here. You see all the action? You can kind of see where the market starts because people start their action around the time of the market. So here's the market starting. This is CarMax, guys. Market started. It's pretty low. doesn't have a big volatility change. Nothing really for us to look at. This is the MACD line, and they say the blue line. We're looking at the blue line, guys, not the yellow line, the blue line. So the blue line is the MACD line, and I don't know much about it, but I've read that when the MACD line crosses and it is on top, that means that it's going to go up. If the MACD line crosses over where it's on the bottom, then it's going to go down. And I don't know exactly how to read that, but we are going to learn it because a lot of people use a MACD line for entrance and exit strategies. So we will definitely finish checking that out. So we did all of the beginning think or swim. Look at us. Up, 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 back, back, back to the manual. So we have the think manual right here. This is in the education tab. Come on, open up. I don't know what's happening. Tons of videos. Tons of videos, guys. There's a video on everything. Getting started, monitor, analyze, watch. There is a literal tool on every single thing. So, how to think or swim. I don't know why it's not clicking on anything now. What's happening? It might be froze. Still working our order. Okay, well. Let me close this. Okay, so what I did is I just closed my Thinkorswim, and I'm going to reopen it, guys. I know that after this, I am definitely going to get me some coffee or creamer or something because, whew, I'm not doing well. Oh, darn it. When you don't even know your own passwords. Just type them in wrong, willy-nilly. Okay, guys, so let's bop back into this education. There we go. So we did platform layout, customization. Let's check out customization. So you could customize things. In Thinkorswim, you have the ability to customize a wide array of settings to suit your personal preferences and needs. In these next tutorials, we will cover items in the software that can be modified. And just to show you guys, and we're going to learn to do this on next time, I'm going to find us good setups because I don't really know which setups to use as beginners. I'll show you guys my setup. I have one right here. Let me go back into my Thinkorswim now that I'm logged in. So we get back into education. In the education, in customization, I'll go back so I can show you. Right here, Think Manual, customization, you can customize. If you go to setup up here, guys, I already customized, just set up right here, top right-hand corner. I have one called Setup Try. And if you click on that, it'll be reloaded as my Setup Try. And this is quickly convenient, guys. You see how it went away and then it re-showed up? So it doesn't show you guys both of my screens. I have two screens. This is showing up on my left-hand screen, and my right-hand screen is showing other charts. I have it set up for, so where's my charts? Charts. I have it set up to do double screens, guys. So I have so many screens here. Yeah. So normally I have two screens, a left-hand screen and a right-hand screen so that I can stream and so that I can do this better. It may be easier if you have two monitors, so you could split it. I put what you guys are looking at on one side of the screen, and on the other side of the screen, I have, I'll show you, hold on, gotta figure it out. Not that, that's my chat. Not that. Not that. Okay, I don't know why, but it will only let you show me, it will only let me show you one. One is the loneliest number that you ever see. Yeah, I don't know why it won't let me show you both of my screens. But I have two screens, and that's my setup. But my setup is not a good setup, guys. I have live news over here and level 2 because I like it. We can add different things to your setup. Remember I told you we could have a calculator. I like to have a calculator. You could take them away by just doing that. See? The gearbox takes them away. We don't need live news right now. Maybe we just have our watch list, a calculator, and a level 2. And we can throw a symbol. See? Our watch list, calculator, and level 2. So that's our left-hand side. Here's our amount of money we're dealing with. And then we have our monitor here. This shows us what our activity and positions are. We have charts that we're looking at here. We have a flexible grid so that you can look at multiple charts at once. See, we could throw up Fetch here. We can throw Peloton here. We could throw XLF there. Like that, guys. You just have multiple so that you can watch multiple at a time. Let's see, CarMax. Throw some CarMax up there. Okay, so now what you're doing is put all of these on 1 day, 1 minute. 1 day, 1 minute. See how we're just changing the times? That allows us to change what it looks like. You could zoom in by just highlighting it. You could change, see? Change your different, so you could flatten it, fit more, raise it up, raise your candlestick so you can see them better. You can also adjust time, flatten it out that way. Go all the way back to the start of the day, way back here, 6:30. Or drag it out. So you're just seeing, and that all you're doing, guys. I know some people have a hard time learning things on the computer. It's really easy. Just click it with your mouse and drag, unclick, click, drag, click, unclick, click, drag, unclick. Very simple. You can do it on any of them. See? Pull this down so we can get a better look at it. Flatten or unflatten it. Oh. I messed it up. And you can double click. It'll go back to original. Just double click it. If you mess up, double click it. See? Look at us. You stretch it way out. Look at it way close. You can go into different times. There's a 15-minute one. And then let's say, okay, there, looking like you want to buy it perhaps. Maybe you bought back into a regular chart and you say, okay, well, I want to, $68. I want to have a couple CarMax. You could come over here and see what people are. This is level 2. This is level 2, but spread out this way, guys. Same thing. It shows the bid and the ask. And see how people are right here? It's like somebody's trying to sell 700 shares, 1,900 shares, if they can get this amount. Selling 9, selling 12, 8. These people are willing to buy if it goes down this low. So you could kind of physically see here. And that's helpful for some people. Some people, this is more helpful. The bid price is 10.10 and the asking price is 10.11. So the spread isn't very big. When a spread isn't very big, it's easier to get the market price. or to pay less than the market price, I guess that you should say. But simple little things that we are going to learn. And these are just the basics, guys, because I haven't learned it either. All I'm doing is helping you to know that they're available here and we are going to be learning it. So we have to know, where are our working orders, guys? We ordered something. It's here. Maybe it'll be closed like this. You have to know where to find it. If you don't know where to find something, where can we go to solve our problems? Right here, guys. Education tab. You can type it in. So let's say options. So we want to learn how to do options. Maybe order rejection reasons. Here's things that they might need. Let's say selling options. So option strategies. We can go in here and we can look up option strategies. Looking for all things options? Check out Virtual Trade on TD Ameritrade Network. Here you'll find tutorials on how to place trades using option strategies, covered stock, and verticals. Look at this. It's Ameritrade Network. Options basics. We can learn about options basics. So what it does, guys, is you do not see it on your screen, but what it did was pop open a little screen. Let me see if I can, options basic, if I can open that. No. So it doesn't show all my pop-ups on here. I don't know why, guys, but it popped up a little picture and you can watch it. And it's a virtual learning. It's a man. I know that man. It's Scott Connor.
At the very beginning and help you along the way.
I've seen him before.
Connor, a 30-year veteran trader, and you'll learn the basics of options. Right
options basic, it gives you a 25-minute little video on how to do options. So, guys, I will be learning this. A lot of the videos, I don't want to just play their videos for you guys. I think you could go watch the videos yourself. I think that is kind of rude on my half to show you the videos, watch the videos together. I don't know why I feel like that, but I feel like it's rude. Because you should go to their site to watch it, I guess is what I feel. But what I will do is I'm going to watch everything I want to learn. That's what I've been doing, guys. And then I will come back here and we will talk about it. So you can watch it or you can not watch it. I will watch it and then we'll talk about it. That way we all learn without, really abusing somebody's ideas, because they put a lot of work into these. If you want to do like buying and selling calls, it's right here, guys. And then guess what? It pops open a 26-minute video on buying and selling calls with Scott Connor. So that is very, very, very helpful, guys. You see this education tab? That is your friend. You go to this education tab every single time. Open up. You'll be at the top of the class if you guys go in here and read everything that there is to read in the education tab. I don't even think you could do it. I am officially challenging you. Look at all these things. We have a think manual, how-tos, stock, single options, option strategies, futures, Forex, 24/5 trading, and mobile trading. So we have hit all of these. We've done them, guys. We are on our shoes. Look at this stuff. It just gets this is getting started. We've been here. What do we have? We can do real in-depth. How in-depth do you guys want to get when you read? Look at this. Account info. It's the gadget that displays your account info. You could detach the gadget. You could customize the gadget. You could delete the gadget. You see the gadget? You could little it up. You could little it out. And this helpful thing shows you every single one of them. So maybe you want to know what level 2 is. Level 2 is a Thinkorswim gadget that displays best ask and bid prices for each of the exchanges. See, bid and ask prices in markets in stocks, options, and futures. It's essentially a real-time ordered list of best bids and asks for an underlying that allows instant order placement. Like all other gadgets, Level 2 can be displayed as a section of the left side or as a separate window. In the gadget header, you will see the following elements: the symbol selector, the clip icon, the full name of the symbol, the current market price, the selected symbol, and its percentage and absolute change since midnight. So, where's that? Alrighty. So if we click this, we have, you could look up position summaries, quick quotes, analyze. I didn't know that did that. You can also, guys, have multiple here, so you could label them so you could keep track of your charts. So for instance, this chart could be chart 1. This could be 1. And now when I change this, it changes my level 2. See? Level 2, chart. Level 2, chart. Because I linked them. Helpful little link so that if I want it to be this to be 1, and maybe I don't want this to be 1 anymore. And now this one will link. See? Simple little links, guys. Simple little tricks, and we're going to learn them all. All you have to do is come here and dedicate your time. It's very simple. All I wanted to do is, this is a lot, guys. Just logging into this, most people do not feel bad. Most people feel overwhelmed, and that is all right, okay? So if you log into this and you see all of this, when you log in, it usually is going to look pretty, pretty scary. A lot of these things, we don't know what they are, but we are going to learn. You come back here every day and we will learn. You will learn, I will learn, we will learn how to trade. So let us look at the chart for Apple. We're going to go back to charts, not flexible charts. And we are going to drop it into, Apple is APPL. Nope. Okay. Oh, not APPLX. That's not one. Alrighty. What's happening? And remember, it's on a delay, guys. We have a 20-minute delay because we are doing paper trading, so not real trading, but it's real information, just slow. So, I don't know what is wrong with my chart. Doesn't want to pull up any chart. It's playing hard to get today, guys. That's okay. So, we're going to go into this and cancel this order. And that'll cancel all our, we didn't need to buy it. I just wanted to show you guys. See how easy that was? Cancel buy, and it gives you a little notification up there. So we can go back to our charts. We can change it to this chart. And we can go to Peloton, see how it's coming back up. We could do, let's see, what is there? 10 to 10.13. See how it doesn't have a big spread? More people want to sell it than buy it. Now the even amount of people want to sell and buy it. Now more people want to buy it because it's going to go back up. So people think that they want a little piece of it. So what we could do is we could buy a little bit. We could say, edit our order. We want to do a limit order. We only want to pay, what is it going for? 10.13 right now. We don't want to pay more than 10.15. And we'll take 100 of them. That'll be $1,000. See if it goes through, guys. Probably not, because it just went up again. Just working it. See, the market is 15.5. If it goes to 15, we can get it, but they don't have to sell it to us. So it did a limit order. You don't necessarily always get it. And that's okay. So we are going up to 10, 15, 5. This is where we put ours at. Here. 960. Somebody would buy it at 960. So we said at 1015 that we would purchase it. And it is sitting at 1016 right now. So the order won't most likely go through because we put a limit to only buy it if it goes down, or we could get it at 1015. So it will have to drop back down. Let's see what it even looks like. Up today, the beginning of today, it was up here at 11. And it all the way went down here. That's wild. So we had some bunch of people sell off. That. And there's a lot of watching, guys. You have to be patient. Right now, while you're learning, learn to watch these candlesticks and be patient. That is part of the learning, guys. Now, see, it's 10 up to 1017, so most likely ours will not. And that is how you do it. It goes through. Everything is wonderful. It says, I disconnected from chat. Womp, womp, womp. Okay, guys. Well, I think that is about it today. 45 minutes of going through all of this. We looked at the monitor. These 8 tabs across here are mostly what you are going to use. Just these tabs. We have tabs underneath these tabs, and all those tabs are very important. We're going to learn about level 2 and how to use it. That's very important. We're going to learn how to read these charts. Very important. Watch videos on it. Watch my videos on it. Rewatch videos on it. I'm going to watch videos on it. We're going to be the best money team that there is, because look at now, it's at 1023, guys. It popped up there. See, you buy it down here, and what was it when it was down here? 1001 was the low. Now we're at 1025. Yay them. Alrighty, my friends, that is it for today. We will come back tomorrow, and like I said, we will focus on level 2 and setting up. I'll look up some good setups so that let's see this one. This is a new workspace. Let's see what comes up. Hold on. 1 second, my friends. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at this one. This one came up with like 6 windows, guys. So you could look up everything. You want to watch every single stock there is. This is how you set up your setup. Crazy. It opened up like 6 screens. They think this is what you need. Oh my word. Hooey. Alrighty. I don't know what happened. My setup said, wonky donkey. Okay. Wow. The biggest setup ever. Okay. There we go. So I will figure out 2 setups. a setup for those of you with one screen and a setup for those of us with two screens, because when I am on here with you guys, I can only use one screen because I have my recording on the other side, and that will be helpful. I'll have one with you guys and I will have my double, which is very helpful, guys. Get two screens. Oh, sorry. Big stretches. Need that coffee. Okay. Tomorrow, definitely we'll have coffee. Makes this so much easier in the morning. Let me know in the comments if you are a morning person. How many morning people are we dealing with? Okay, I'm going to let you guys go. Make sure you open up your TD Ameritrade accounts. It's free, guys. It's absolutely free. You don't need good credit. You don't need money in the bank. You don't need anything, okay? Your name. I can't even remember if I used my ID. I might have used my ID. I did with Webull. Webull asked for my ID. I can't remember if TD Ameritrade did, but it was very quick and easy to set up. And like I said, it costs nothing. It says right here, guys, simulated trading, simulated values, delayed data. It's all paper money, okay, guys? Paper money. So canceled orders right there. See, we're learning, guys. And it's easy and it's fun. So I will see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time, early in the morning, hopefully with coffee. If I don't have any, someone please bring me some coffee. I like a big giant cup with lots of creamer, and it has to be sweet, but I don't use sugar. I gave up sugar, guys. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Continue your learning. Continue being engaged in life. That is how you get rich. Engage these people. Engage yourself. Until next time, you know what it is. Tomorrow, guys, be there. Be square.